Is your throat itchy or do you have trouble swallowing food or beverages? These are all signs that you have a sore throat. But not to worry, in today's video, you will learn 9 simple yet effective home remedies to treat a sore throat. Let's get started. 9 home remedies for sore throat. Number 1. Saltwater gargling. Saltwater gargling is no doubt the most famous remedy to treat a sore throat. And all you will need for this is just a glass of water, preferably lukewarm water, and half a teaspoon of salt. Just add the salt to the water, mix well, and voila! You have your first home remedy for a sore throat. Make sure you do the saltwater gargling a minimum of 3 times a day. That should do it. The salt water will help to reduce swelling and itchiness from your throat. Now, if you want, you can also use baking soda instead of salt. You can take the same quantity, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, and then mix in water, and you are good to try your home remedy. You need to make sure that you do not swallow the mixture, rather gargle well and spit it out. Rinse and repeat. Number 2. Warm fluids. Warm fluids are also very popular when it comes to home remedies for treating a sore throat. Warm fluids can be tea, milk, and of course soups. The warm fluids will help to soothe the ache and itchiness in your throat, and they can also help to reduce coughs. Also, it is good that you hydrate yourself every now and then, even if you experience pain while swallowing. In this way, your throat will not be dry and the itchiness will be reduced. Number 3. A hot toddy. Do you know what a hot toddy is? A hot toddy is kind of a cocktail, if you will. It is a mixture of hot water, a little bit of whiskey, honey, and lemon juice. You also add ginger if you want, and the ginger will help to reduce some of the symptoms of sore throat. But it's an optional ingredient for the hot toddy. Since this has whiskey in it, make sure you are of legal age to drink alcohol, and if you are, then this might be the best nightcap if you have a sore throat. A hot toddy is very soothing for a sore throat, and it has many benefits. The honey in it will help to reduce irritation and coughing, and not to mention, honey also has antibacterial properties which can help soothe a sore throat. And also, we can all use a little bit of sweetness in our life, right? As for the whiskey, you mix in only a little, not too much, as a lot of whiskey can cause dehydration and this will aggravate your sore throat. The whiskey will cause the blood vessels lining your throat surface to dilate so that more and more immune cells will be able to fight the infection causing the sore throat. Thus, you will have more soldiers fighting for you and you will be cured in no time. As for lemon juice, it has vitamin C, which as we all know, is very important to keep the immune system healthy and prevent you from getting sick. So, if you are of legal age to drink, consider the hot toddy as your bedtime drink to treat a sore throat and for a good night of sleep. Number 4. Turmeric milk. This one is my personal favorite. All you need for this one is a glass of hot milk and some turmeric powder. To tell you a secret, if you have the turmeric root instead of the powdered form, that would be the best. You just grate the turmeric roots and add it to the milk while you are heating it. As soon as you see the milk turning yellow, that's enough grating and you just give it 1 or 2 minutes more and then use a small strainer to get the turmeric roots out and your drink is ready. But if you do not have turmeric roots, then a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and hot milk will do. You can also add a teaspoon of honey to your turmeric milk and this will not only sweeten the milk, but also soothe your itchy throat. Turmeric is very good for a sore throat because it is a great natural antioxidant and it will calm the itchiness in your throat and also reduce inflammation. Number 5. Lozenges. I am guessing you must be having lozenges at home, but if you don't, that's not a problem. You can easily get them from a pharmacy and you will not even need a prescription for them. The good thing is they are available in different fruity flavors such as oranges or strawberries. All lozenges work to relieve the itchiness in your throat and they even help to prevent coughs. The ingredients in the lozenges stimulate your salivary glands to produce saliva so you do not have a dry throat and in turn, no itchiness. And the best part, you can eat them whenever you like, before a meal or after a meal or when you feel a cough coming up. Number 6. Chamomile tea. If you like to drink tea, then try chamomile tea as a home remedy to treat a sore throat. Chamomile has both antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties which will help to soothe the itchiness in your throat and reduce swelling. Drinking chamomile tea will also cause the cells of your immune system to fight the infection, causing a sore throat more strongly. Also, if you are unable to sleep because of your itchy and swollen throat, drinking chamomile tea before bed can keep your throat irritation at bay and thus give you a good night of sleep, as chamomile is known to help improve sleep. Number 7. Steam and humidity. If you have a humidifier at home, then turn it on to increase the amount of moisture in the room, and if you don't have one, then no need to buy one. Simply take a hot shower. The steam from the hot shower will help to clear your nostrils and moisturize, as well as soothe your throat, thereby reducing irritations or itchiness. So a hot shower is also one of the best home remedies to treat a sore throat that you should definitely try. Number 8. Marshmallow root. Marshmallow root is extremely beneficial to help soothe and cure a sore throat. In fact, many natural cough syrups and lozenges have marshmallow root extract as one of their active ingredients. When you consume marshmallow root, it helps to form a protective coating on your throat, which helps to reduce irritation and swelling. So, you can either take lozenges, which have marshmallow root, or you can also drink marshmallow root tea. Marshmallow root tea is an herbal tea, and like all other herbal teas, it is full of antioxidants and vitamins, which will help to strengthen your immune system and, in the case of marshmallow root tea, also help to cure your sore throat. Number 9. Rest is one of the overlooked remedies that people normally tend to ignore when they fall sick or get a sore throat. To cure your sore throat, make sure to get plenty of rest as well as trying the other methods discussed previously in the video. When you sleep, this is when your body is recuperating as well as fighting any infections that you might be having. Also, avoid activities which can aggravate your sore throat, such as singing or basically shouting. It is important that you give your voice a rest too, so you can really cure that sore throat relatively faster. Now that you are aware of the 9 home remedies to cure a sore throat, it is also important that you be careful of certain fallacies which are ineffective in curing a sore throat. Make sure you steer clear of apple cider vinegar and essential oils if you have a sore throat because, really, they do not do much to cure sore throats. You should also avoid spicy foods during that time because the spiciness will only increase the inflammation in your throat, making your sore throat worse. So, try any of the home remedies mentioned in the video to cure a sore throat and do not forget to take plenty of rest. Take care!